Motherfucker look like
Central 341.
thermals. You got thermals on for underwear. What are we doing?
Down, sir. I'm down. I'm down. I'm down.
What the hell?
I'm down, sir.
Hold on, baby.
Stop.
Hold on, baby. Don't tell me you got the thongaroo under the goddamn cool. What are you doing, doughboy? What are we doing here? I thought you just had the thermal shit on, but I see some kind of like lacery shit, so I know you like to. I know what you'd like to go ass, okay? Yo, what's poppin', GE gang? It's your boy Future. We are back with another banger reaction video. It's the weekend. It's the weekend. We freaking in the house, okay? We ain't taking none of our freaky deaky outside. Freaky deaky under your own sheets type. Silk preferably. Maybe cotton. 100%er. You feel me? How about people doing today, man? I hope you guys are doing great. Weather out here is crazy. Hope your weather a little bit better. And if not, hope you cut it up to something nice, tight, you know what I'm saying? Or you got the wood for fireplace burning, or you got the heater on. You know what I'm saying? One of the two. Either raining somewhere, cold somewhere. Some people got it better than us, where it's a little bit warmer. I don't like you guys right now. I really wish I was you guys right now in your position, okay? Can we swap for a day? I'll come here and I'll go there. I'll keep your place nice, tidy. We about to tap into a video, man. I know sometimes I get stupid. I come in this mode, I don't know what I be saying, okay? Just roll with me, rock with me, people. Like you've been doing. We about to tap into a video. When trying to outsmart, Walgreens goes completely. Oh my, what's up with Walgreens and Walmart? The W's. Big W. Walmart, Walgreens. Okay, that's what type of time we on. Before we get into this, I gotta check on my people's meeples. My meeperies of my people, right? Get down in the comment section 1 through 10. Let me know where you at, how you doing, what the plan is, what the move is for the weekend. If you're the same type of vibe I'm on, same type of vibe I'm on, we're just staying in the house, just rock with my people, my secondary family. That's where I'm at, okay? So when you guys see these videos coming back to back to back, just know this is what I'm doing. I'm not out there. I'm in here, okay? How you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, what did you say, sir? Psychologically. And most importantly, spiritually. Tap in. Let us know. Other than that, man, I ain't gonna hold you guys up. We're gonna get straight into the video. We're gonna outsmart Walmart. Or so we think. It never goes the way you planned.
On January 31st, 2025, officers responded to a Walgreens after employees reported an active shoplifting incident.
Uh-oh, active. We got action.
Hey, what's going on?
Oh, nothing.
Go ahead and step out for me.
Oh, nothing.
Fucking try to fight me? Are you fucking crazy?
Woo, no nonsense, recop. I like it already.
Put your hands together.
That's a girl? That sounds like a girl.
Yeah.
I'm down, sir.
That's a girl.
Get down on the floor. Put your hands behind your back.
Get down on all
hands
on the
out.
ground. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm down, sir.
Put your hands behind your back.
Give me your
Put
hands.
your hands behind your back.
There you go. I got it.
First of all, you stopped the car and you got out. Why did you try to run, doughboy or dough girl? You knew he was right there. Where do you think he was going? You had a better chance of skirting out in the car. You got out to try to run. People be causing their own demise. Now look at you. Blinkery cuffs coming on ASAP. You lucky you didn't get taser, because if you tried to run and he didn't want to chase you, it looks like it's raining, I would have tased your ass. I thought you was a dude until I heard the voicery. And them is not panties. What the fuck you got on? Motherfucker look like
Central 341.
thermals. You got thermals on for underwear. What are we doing?
I'm down, sir. I'm
Give me your
down.
hands.
I'm down. I'm
What the
down.
hell?
I'm down, sir.
Hold on, baby.
Stop.
Hold on, baby. Don't tell me you got the thongaroo under the goddamn cool. cowboy? What are we doing here? I thought you just had the thermal shit on, but I see some kind of like lacery shit, so I know you like to. I know what you'd like to go ass. Okay, is that a lace? Don't tell me you got the lace with the thermal with the man jeans. You got Jordans on too. Like, what are we doing, baby? Like, you got the better fade than me. I ain't got the. You got the fadery going too. Oh boy. Oh boy.
I'm down.
Well, stay down. Stop trying to move.
I'm down, sir.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm down.
Get down.
I'm down.
You got it.
Hey,
I'm down.
want to get paid?
Okay, there it is.
Down. Let me
Turn
go.
around. Turn
I'm
around.
down. I'm down.
Stop saying you down. What are you doing?
I'm down.
Hey, come on, coppers. Y'all taking the L. Y'all better tase her.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, you sweating already, baby? Chill.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm down.
You down.
I'm down.
Central 321, we got one custody.
321,
Oh, you got some phone posits on.
I'm down.
You stop saying that. You sound crazy.
I'm down.
We need a counter. How many times you saying I'm down?
I'm down.
What'd you take from Walgreens?
I'm down.
Pockets.
Y'all ain't have to do me like this.
You tried running twice.
Y'all ain't,
You were
have,
fighting me.
y'all ain't have to do me like this. I'm bipolar schizophrenic.
Okay, that's fine.
What's your name?
Yeah, you goddamn right, baby. You got to be bipolar schizophrenic to be fighting White Castle burger, okay? I like the motherfucking White Castle with the cheesery. Did you go in there and get full fat and thought you could run out on the police? You know you put on a couple more pounds since you came out of White Castle. You probably went there, stole from Walgreens and went to White Castle and just thought you was going, we put a double movery. Why do you keep saying I'm down? And now you want to pull out the I'm schizophrenic and whatever the fuck else you just said. You could have said that when you rolled the window down and stopped the car. Hey, what you guys doing? I'm bipolar schizophrenic. You guys got to come up with better shit. The last video we did, the lady came out with, she was saying a whole lot of shit. The police were defunded. At least she came with some original content, okay? This shit is not original. When y'all get pulled over now or get caught lying or getting caught stealing or robbery, think of the original content when you get caught, baby. Please, I need to laugh at what you saying. And if it's original, I'm going to clap for you, okay? Damn.
What's your name?
I ain't do nothing. What I do?
What I do? What I do?
What's your name?
What I do?
What's your name?
Listen, stop playing games. What's your name? Quit fucking around. You can tell us
Hey.
and we'll take your fingerprints and figure it out. You want to make it easy? Tell us right now. Quit fucking around.
We're fucking around.
What is your name?
I got the right to remain silent.
Not about your name, you don't.
Well, shit.
You have the right to not self-incriminate. It has nothing to do with your name.
What I'm going down for?
What do you think? What do you think so far?
What? Retail bill?
Probably felony retail theft, aggravated battery, resisting. You're getting tried for a lot of stuff.
Like what?
This could have been really simple.
Like what?
Like what?
It could have been really simple.
Like what?
Resisting arrest,
And what else?
retail theft you got.
Alright, what I'm okay is I'm gonna be let go with a ticket.
Felony, he said.
I think we're a little past that.
What all did possible?
What the hell? Hold on. Run that and back, baby. So we gotta do some investigation. What the hell did you steal?
Huh?
I didn't know
I
what
think
you
we're a little
stole.
past that.
What all did possible?
Hold on, what that is? I gotta look this up real quick. Hold on. Nexium? Y'all probably know what it is. I don't. Nexium is a widely used medication that reduces stomach acid. Is a type of protein pump inhibitor and available both over the counter or under the counter. Nexium is primarily used to treat conditions caused by excessive stomach acid. Gastritis. Oh, baby, what you got to shit with that bad? What you do? Eat chili dogs? You got the gastritis. You tried to run with the shittery? Bad movery. That's why you got caught. And you got hell of it too. Prilosec, Nexium. What the fuck? Oh, you're a pharmaceuticalist. Who's going to sell it? How'd you get out the store with all that shit though? Like, that's a lot. No wonder it's a felony. Golly. You stuffed every pocket in that.
2925, this is 43. Meat already has someone on the way.
This is Oklahoma. This is Oklahoma.
Is that her hat?
What are you being charged with?
Murder, robbery, arson.
What?
Murder, robbery, and arson.
Can you check my phone?
Right now I'm in
See
Walgreens.
on my phone or not?
No. Trying to have them look up the video. I'll swing by, and then if somebody wants to come back.
Phone, man.
Stop it!
Hey!
I'm fucking sick and tired of telling you to.
Stop hurting me.
Then stop
like
fucking
him.
move it. You understand me?
Stop
Stop
hurting me.
fucking moving.
Is you gonna kill me?
No! You're gonna stay right here though, because I'm sick of you
You gonna kill
moving.
me?
You want to stay there? Hold on.
Is you gonna kill me?
He over your shit, baby. Shut up.
Ah!
What was it hurt you? Just stand still.
You hurting me, sir.
Stop moving. I know,
Right.
just keep moving.
You hurting me.
You're hurting yourself by moving.
For her, but has she been searched yet? No. We're still
You hurting me.
Alright, I'll just guys tell you.
Ah!
POP, hold it down. I'm blind. I can't see.
You hurting me.
This is all on body cam. No
You
one's
hurting
doing
right.
anything.
You hurting me.
No, I'm not.
You is. You hurting me, sir.
You got a straight fucking that thing and then detained.
Alright, here's a female officer. She's gonna come search you. You ain't
You
got
hurting
nothing
me.
hitting on you, do you?
You hurting me, sir.
Yeah. You keep moving.
You hurting me.
You listen to instructions.
We had dinner yet?
No.
No, she won't say her name.
She's got a whole bunch of stuff. Face the car. She's gonna search you.
You got anything that's not focused?
No.
Anything like that? Okay. We have a people. So we'll look at Alright, I need you to stand up for me, okay?
Stop trying to run, fool.
I ain't got nothing, man.
Come on, I need you to stand up for me.
You hurting me.
I heard that.
Can you let me stop?
Why you should stand up?
727 Central.
Yes.
Alright, stand up.
Keep covering
You're hurting me.
You hurting me, please.
Yeah, you got money?
Dude, hang on. This fucking foil in there. Come on. Put a pair of gloves on.
Yo, they mad at him, sir.
It's gonna be.
Don't get some damn gloves on and do your job.
You got another glove or no? No. Well, we gotta find out what it is first.
It's windy. More? Oh, it's more.
Alright, that's it. Yeah, we don't even gotta open it.
Ah, baby, you got
What is
caught.
that?
You ain't on no schizophrenia. Yeah, you is, because it's probably PCP. I'm telling you, 1980 is coming back. PCP. That's why you got the gastritis. Too much ingestory. Now your body's filled with acid, and you over there going type schizophrenic crazy. I got to get this shit up out of me. So you go take a whole case full of them Nexium and Prilosec. You're hurting me. Get you, if I'm not awesome, get your ass off me. Probably got the gas and all that. Get your ass off me. And shut up. Stop saying you hurting me. Like you're on county camera. You do too much actory, and it's bad. Okay.
So we don't hurt anybody here.
That's
We don't want to hurt ourselves. Could you let us know what it is? What's in the tinfoil?
You fentanyl?
PCP? Okay.
Easy enough.
Hey, what I tell?
How much more do you got?
Hey, y'all got to give me my motherfucking props, okay? Give me my props. What did I say? I've been saying the last couple of videos, these motherfuckers been on that PCP. Big 80s run. They bringing it back. She just said it was PCP. PCP? Y'all thought I was joking. Y'all probably, food's just not PCP. It's fentanyl or something. It's fucking PCP, bro. That's why I told you how you... It's a different type of druggery, okay? It's a different type of druggery. That's why she thought she would run, get away. She probably thought she was doing 100 miles an hour. And she was like... Big going nowhere. Fast.
Don't have anything else on you?
We're going to find it all. I'd rather not bring it in there.
Okay.
Don't put that there. It's going to blow away. Put it in your pocket. This is your call. Wrap that up, put it in your pocket, put it in your car.
What do you think would drive someone to steal that much heartburn medicine? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
I just told you. It's called PCP. Prilosec, Cocu, Prilosec. I don't know.